Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're going to talk about the best vector icon packs for Roblox. Now this is not going to be in any particular order. And what is the purpose of an icon pack? Well, they're pretty important because visually icons play a huge role in things like buttons, game passes, and without nice icons a game can really just end up looking really stale and kind of boring. So yeah, this is not going to be in any order. I'm just going to give you my recommendations. Now the first pack I have to show you guys is going to be the Rose GFX Vector icon pack. Now this is most definitely the most popular pack so far. Let's take a look. If you see all these icons, I'm pretty sure you have seen these icons used in a game somewhere. If you are, playing lots of games, or if you are a developer yourself, you probably have seen these icons somewhere, especially the backpack, the shop, this trade icon right here, rebirth. These are some very nice icons. I would highly recommend you guys to take a look at rosefx.itch.io/vector icon pack right here. My personal Twitter account at KodikeTM is currently locked temporarily. It's getting resolved pretty soon, so if you guys are trying to search for my profile and you can't find it, that is the reason why. So you can see he has a bunch of categories: clothing, currency, general items. How many total does he have? I assume 200 unique icons along with the variations. Some new ones here, and he has his policy here. Now this pack is $15, but you have to think about the value an icon pack is going to add into your game. And besides, with the amount of icons there are in this pack, that $15 is gonna take you a long way. So this is the Rose GFX Vector icon pack. Go ahead and feel free to check it out. And the next one, we have our own GFX Comment Vector icon pack, which just released this week. This is still completely fresh and new, and right here you can see a bunch of the icons. We have a bag of coins, a bag of gems, we have some banners, a battery, book icon, we have some chests, we have some clovers, luck icons right here, we have a crate, a coin, egg, we have gems. What's inside? Currently 235 icons and counting, and this pack is going to be updated every single week. Right now it's once per week, but I'm thinking about adding a small little tiny update midweek, so that'd be like, you can count that as 2 updates per week. But update 1 has just released today. Here are the new icons. We have some quests, teleport, pet paw, a backpack, trade, and rebirth right here. If you own this pack, just head over to your content library and download the new update file, and you can take a look. We also have the unlimited access pack right here, which will give you access to our entire store and all of its current products, as well as all future ones, for free. So if you guys want to check this out, link is going to be down below. This pack is only going to get better. It's only going to get more expansive, and more icons are soon to come. And plus, the bigger this pack gets, the current price might not be kept the same as we continue to increase the amount of icons there are. So if you want to go ahead and check this out right now, this would be the best time to do so. Lastly, we have the Fairy and Arts Vectors pack. This is a little preview. I believe if you want to purchase this, you have to message him privately. But as you can see, these icons here are quite stylized in its design, and me personally, I think it looks really good. And this contains all the essentials for most of your Roblox games. So it has your trophies, it has your luck icons, it has your currency, it has 3 backpacks here, it has your potion icons, your boosts, if you will. So if you guys want to check this out, I would recommend you to check out his Twitter, and you can message him if you are interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful in any capacity. if you guys have any feedback or any videos you guys would like me to make, leave a comment down below, and I hope to see you guys next time.